Good. Come on, guys, let's go. New paths. I have no idea where exactly we are. That is hilarious. But anyway, that's fine. Whew. My good doggers. There we go. Hi, horsey. Go, Brody, jump. Good, my boy. You can do this. You too. Right. Come, baboos. What is it? Hey, hey. Chloe, leave it. Chloe, whatever it is. Oh my God, is that a dead thing? Nah, okay. Hook, hook, hook. They're having a blast. Oh, that's wonderful. It's very wooded here. Gorgeous. And very slippery. After the rain, with all the leaves. Ow! Ow! Christ. Guys. Okay, I can say we're definitely a little lost. Where's this path going? Well, all right, let's take the path and see, yeah? Oh. Also, with all the water that goes through, the ground kind of, the earth disappears and there's a lot of roots. So, good with the boots, but sometimes, even with the boots, it can be painful. Come on, Baba. Come. Don't knock me down.